Most people delay home renovation for one simple reason: they can't clearly visualize the outcome. They're unsure how a space will look, how much it will cost, or whether the final result will actually match their expectations. And that uncertainty often stops them from taking action. But that's exactly where AI is changing the game. Today, users can redesign entire spaces using AI, visualize multiple styles instantly, and make decisions before spending a single dollar. In this video, we'll break down how an AI home renovation platform works, how it helps users plan better, and how you can build one that solves a real problem in a massive market. An AI home renovation app is a decision-making platform built around visualization. Instead of relying on imagination or manual design, users can upload a photo of their space and instantly see multiple AI-generated redesign options. The system analyzes the room, understands layout and structure, and applies different design styles based on user preferences, including modern, minimalist, classic, or custom themes. Beyond visuals, the platform suggests furniture placement, color schemes, materials, and layout changes. This turns renovation from guesswork into a guided, data-driven process where users can compare options and make confident decisions. At this point, if you're planning to build something like this for your business, then connect with us at Code Brew Labs. We've worked with over 5,000 businesses globally, including companies building AI-powered home renovation and design platforms in the past year, helping them accelerate development and launch scalable products faster. If you'd like to get in touch, use the WhatsApp link in the description. It will take you directly to WhatsApp, where you can share your details, and our team will reach out to schedule a live demo at your convenience. Now, if you want to see how all of this actually comes together in a real-world setup, continue watching the video. Let's begin with the AI Home Renovation app. As the user logs in, they land on the dashboard, which provides a quick overview of their activity. At the top, key metrics such as total projects, saved designs, AI generations, and completed renovations are clearly displayed. Just below that, users can see their recent projects such as a modern living room, kitchen renovation, or master bedroom. There is also a clear call to action to start a new renovation project instantly. Next, we move to the New Project section. This is where the user begins their renovation journey. They simply upload images of their space, select the room type, such as living room, kitchen, bedroom, or bathroom, define their preferred design style, and set a budget range. Once everything is in place, they can generate AI designs with a single click. Moving on to the AI workspace. This is where the transformation happens. The platform processes the uploaded image and generates multiple design variations based on the selected style and budget. Users can further customize results by adjusting style intensity, lighting, furniture density, and color palette. They can apply changes instantly or regenerate designs to explore more options. Next is design comparison. Here, users can compare short-listed designs side by side. Each option includes estimated cost, project timeline, maintenance expectations, and even potential impact on property resale value, helping users make more informed decisions. After that, we move to Design Insights. This section provides deeper analysis of the selected design, including layout optimization, material and finishing costs, and curated furniture recommendations that match the overall theme. Next, we have AI recommendations. This feature helps users refine their designs further by prioritizing improvements. Suggestions are categorized into high, medium, and low priority. For example, users can improve natural lighting, optimize layout, or enhance aesthetics with accent colors and decor. These recommendations can be applied instantly to enhance the final output. Moving on to projects. This section displays all user projects in one place, categorized into in progress, completed, and archived. Users can easily track progress or start new renovations from here. Finally, we have settings. Users can manage their profile details, notification preferences, and design preferences to better align AI outputs with their taste. The section also includes account management, where users can view their subscription plan, billing details, and payment history. With this, we come to an end of the AI Home Renovation app, a smart platform designed to simplify design decisions, visualize transformations, and bring renovation ideas to life with the power of AI. Let's now move to the AI Home Renovation Admin panel. As we open the platform, we land on the dashboard, which provides a complete overview of system performance. At the top, key metrics such as total users, total projects, AI design generations, completed designs, active subscriptions, and revenue are displayed. Just below that, we have growth projections, design generation trends, and user activity insights. A live activity feed also keeps admins updated in real time with everything happening across the platform. Next, we move to user management. Here, admins can view all users along with their name, email, user type, such as homeowner or designer, number of projects, subscription plan, status, and recent activity. Clicking on any user opens a detailed profile, including their project history and activity. Moving on to projects. This section contains the complete database of all renovation projects. Each entry includes project name, owner, room type, status, number of designs, budget, and last updated details. Selecting a project opens a detailed view with information such as project status, generated designs, selected styles, and budget insights. Next, we have AI generations. This section tracks all AI design activities. At the top, we see total generations, success rate, processing time, failures, and active jobs. Below that, detailed logs show room type, design style used, status, processing time, and confidence levels, along with timestamps and actions. After that, we move to the design library. This is where all design styles are managed. Admins can browse different categories, view style previews, track usage counts, and manage updates. This helps understand user preferences and optimize design offerings accordingly. Next is the recommendation engine. This section controls how AI suggestions are delivered. It includes metrics like recommendation accuracy, model performance, response time, and active AI rules. Admins can manage global AI controls to ensure personalized and optimized recommendations for users. Moving forward, we have consultation requests. Here, admins can view all consultation inquiries, including user details, project type, preferred time, and assigned experts, helping manage customer support and expert engagement efficiently. Next, we move to usage and billing. This section provides a complete overview of user plans, project usage, AI consumption, and renewal dates. It also includes invoice records with details such as invoice number, customer, amount, status, and transaction history. After that, we have analytics. This section offers deeper insights into platform performance, including conversion rates, user sessions, engagement trends, and average session time. It also highlights top-performing room styles, design popularity, user journey insights, and revenue attribution, along with AI-driven recommendations. Finally, we move to system logs and settings. This section includes audit logs that track all system activities with timestamps and user actions. Admins can manage roles and permissions, such as homeowner, designer, and admin, configure notification preferences, and control overall platform settings. With this, we come to an end of the AI Home Renovation Admin panel, a powerful system designed to manage users, monitor AI performance, and scale renovation experiences efficiently. The home renovation market is one of the largest consumer spending categories, especially in Western markets. But a major challenge has always been uncertainty. People hesitate because they are unsure about the outcome, the cost, and whether the investment is worth it. AI solves this by giving users a clear visual outcome and a structured plan before they commit. This reduces hesitation and helps them make confident decisions. For businesses, this creates a strong opportunity. Platforms like this can be used by homeowners, designers, real estate companies, and service providers. It helps them engage users earlier, guide decisions, and increase conversions. AI is transforming how people plan and approach home renovation. Instead of relying on imagination and uncertain estimates, users can now visualize outcomes, compare options, and make informed decisions with clarity. As this technology becomes more accessible, AI-driven renovation platforms will likely become the first step in any home improvement journey. And businesses that build these systems early will have a clear advantage in capturing this shift. Connect with us at Code Brew Labs. We've worked with over 5,000 businesses globally, including companies building AI-powered home and design platforms in the past year. If you'd like to get in touch, click on the link in the description. Fill out the form, and our team will reach out to discuss your requirements in detail. And if you found this video helpful, subscribe for more insights on building real-world AI products.